A few adjectives have irregular degrees of comparison. By this, they mean that some adjectives, when we convert it to comparative and superlative degree, they form completely different new words. Example, good is positive degree adjective. Comparative degree becomes better. Superlative degree becomes best. Much or many, comparative becomes more, superlative becomes most. Far, comparative becomes farther, superlative becomes farthest. Bad or ill, comparative is worse, superlative degree is worst. Little, comparative degree is less, superlative is least. Far, comparative will be further, superlative will be furthest. And lastly, there are a few adjectives that do not allow any comparison. That means these adjectives will not form degrees of comparison. Some words are excellent, ideal, dead, living, oblong, oval, square, straight, perfect, woolen, and wooden. So all these words will be in the simple form of adjective and will not form any degrees of comparison. Now children, let us try doing the exercises. The first exercise says, write down the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. First, small. Comparative will be smaller. Superlative will be smallest. Next, innocent. Comparative will be more innocent and superlative will be most innocent. Proper, comparative degree will be more proper. Superlative degree will be most proper. Healthy, it ends in Y. So comparative degree will be by removing the Y, writing I followed by ER. Healthier. And superlative degree, in the same way remove Y, add I and EST, healthiest. Good, here the degrees change completely. So comparative becomes better, superlative becomes best. Holy, again it ends with Y. So comparative is removing Y, adding I and ER, holier. Superlative will be remove Y from the end, add I and EST, holiest. Same way angry, angrier, angriest. Brilliant, comparative degree will be more brilliant. Superlative degree will be most brilliant. Naughty ends with Y. So in the same way, comparative will be I replacing Y followed by ER. Naughtier. Same way superlative degree, remove the Y, add I and EST, naughtiest. And the last one, rich. For comparative degree, add er, so richer. And for superlative degree, add est, so richest. Now let's do the second question. Underline the correct form of adjectives in the brackets for the following. So here children, you are given in the brackets all the 3 degrees of comparison of the same adjective. Looking at the sentence, you have to select which degree of comparison will the adjective be in. For example, first one, iron is dash than any other metal. The forms of adjectives given are useful, usefuler, more useful. Now when you look at the sentence, you are comparing iron to any other metal and you have the word than. This means the sentence is in comparative degree form. So the adjective will be more useful. Iron is more useful than any other metal. B. Rahul has a dash cat. This is a simple sentence with no comparison. That's why the adjective will be positive degree. Rahul has a pretty cat. C. A feather is dash than a pen. Again here, you're comparing two nouns, feather and pen. And you have the letter than. That's why this will be comparative degree. So a feather is lighter than a pen. D. The mule is the dash of all animals. So here you're comparing many animals. That's why it will be superlative degree. The mule is the most stubborn of all animals. E. Rahul's room is dash than his sister's. Rahul's room is compared to his sister's room. And you have than in the sentence. So comparative form, that's why the adjective will be neater. F. Who is the dash man in India? Adjective will be wealthiest. G. Usha is dash than her dash sister but dash. Usha is shorter than her elder sister but smarter. H. If you want to study English, this is the dash book. Ideal. I have many toys, but my brother has more. And the last one, Mumbai is a dash city. This is a simple sentence. That's why the adjective will be in positive degree. Mumbai is a large city. That was all in degrees of comparison. Thank you and have a nice day.